Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Open Instagram and Facebook now. Make sure you can log into both accounts and note the Instagram username and recovery email. Once done, check Instagram's linked accounts area to see Facebook connection status. This tells you if they share login. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled on Instagram to prevent lockout when you unlink. If you can't access Facebook, pause and regain access first. Otherwise, proceed to unlink steps in the app. You now unlink Facebook inside Instagram. Go to Settings, then Account Center, and select the Facebook profile listed under Connected Experiences. Tap Remove or Unlink and follow prompts to confirm. This breaks the single sign-on link so your Facebook credentials can no longer log you in. Once unlinked, set or update an Instagram-specific password if you previously relied on Facebook login. Make sure to verify your phone or email recovery method so you can regain access independently of Facebook. Finish by signing out of Instagram and signing back in using your Instagram username and the new password. This proves the unlink worked. If you can't log in, use Forgot Password and request a recovery link to your email or SMS code. These are independent of Facebook. If recovery fails, open Instagram Help Center, submit an account access form, and include screenshots and account details. One key troubleshooting tip: wait 24 hours after removing links before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.